y'all, it's EI and I'm back with another video, and today I'll be giving you guys a baddie on a budget get ready with me. Yes y'all, all of these products are from the drugstore and they will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So y'all, to fill in my brows, I'm just taking this dark brown eyebrow pencil. It should run you about $1 or $2 at your local beauty supply. So guys, to conceal my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I got it from my local beauty supply for about $3.99. If it cost you more than $4, sis, they taxing. To clean up my brows, I'm using this angled brush by Morphe. I got this from Ulta for about $3 to $4. So guys, this is that same concealer that I use to conceal my eyebrows. I'm just using this on my lids because I'm not using any eyeshadow. So guys, to set my eyelids so that I don't get any creasing, I'm using my Sacha Buttercup powder. This is probably the only pricey item that I will be showing you guys. It does run for about $22 on the website, but you can find a dupe called Airspun at Walmart or Target, and it's about $6. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless 355 Coconut. I do have oily skin, and this is for the normal to oily. If you have dry skin, they do have a dewy option, so make sure when you buy it, it says dewy on it and not matte. This cost me about $8 at Ulta, Walmart, or Target. So yeah, I'm going back in with that same concealer that I used on my eyebrows to highlight. Now to contour, I'm going in with the black opal foundation stick, and this runs for about $10. For an even cheaper alternative, you can use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in a darker shade. That way it only runs you about $4. To set my concealer, I'm going back in with the Sacha Buttercup powder. NYX liner, but you guys, I really meant to show you the Ruby Kisses. I got that from my drugstore for about $3, and that NYX eyeliner is from Ulta for $10. Y'all, it really doesn't matter what kind of mascara you use. I got this from Dollar General. I'm just making sure that I coat my real lashes so that they blend in with my false lashes. I know y'all gonna be like, dang, she ain't gonna tell us what kind of lashes she got on. Well, look, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a lash haul in the near future, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Yeah, to set my face, I'm using the Kiss Professional Pro Touch Makeup Setting Spray. I got this for about $5 from the beauty supply. For highlight, I'm using the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter in the shade Royalty 2. Now guys, regular price is $15, but I got it for $7 because I'm telling y'all, Juvia's Place always has a sale going on. So to line my lips, I'm using the Kiss Professional Brown Liner, and I got this for like $3 from the beauty supply. To fill in my lips, I'm using the pink Mauve Nanacoco lip gloss, and I got this from the beauty supply for like $2 to $3. Yeah, this is the final look for the Instagram baddie on a budget. Get ready with me. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn those post notifications on, and I will get with you in the next video. Bye.